There has been a tremendous change in Korean stock market. US stock trading in Korea has never been stronger. And Korea now has one of the largest stock trading volume in terms of US stocks in Asia. Against this backdrop, Toss Securities has been leading the efforts to empower users to trade US stocks. Toss Securities' vision is to provide better access to global capital markets for all investors. All of us at Toss Securities are very committed to this vision. And that means for our users to lower the barriers to trade the stocks. And when we think about global expansion, we'll follow the same playbook so that they can trade stocks regardless of their time zone and location.
Since our birth in 2020, we have used innovative technology and user data analysis to empower and understand retail investors and build a platform that connects users to capital markets. In just 3 years, we have become one of the market leaders in US stock trading in Korea. What's really unique about Toss is that it's a one-stop platform that you can find all your financial needs, such as stock price alerts, corporate financials, and news translated into Korean. With single app and single account, users can easily trade both Korean and US stocks, and even exchange currency in real time. We also introduced features like daytime trading for US stocks and a social community similar to Reddit, where users can share their opinions and insights on investment. Over 28 million people, which is around half of Korean population, are now registered on Toss. Beyond just finance, Toss now aims to simplify everyday life with over 100 services, including banking, investing, insurance, payments, and so on. This has transformed financial services in South Korea, making them easier to use and more accessible. We start by understanding what our users really need and how we can apply technology to solve their problems. For example, Toss Securities is the only brokerage in South Korea which processes its own data like real-time market prices or ranking right from the beginning. Retail investors need a lot of data to make informed decisions, but it's often scattered and even inaccessible. AI helps solve this problem by delivering personalized and easy to understand information at the right time. It collects and verifies the data, processes it into digestible form, so they can only get the most relevant data they need. Our long-term goal is to build a language model specifically for the investment domain. This will help us better interpret and refine data like economic indicators and financial information, ultimately providing more personalized content for our users.
People are usually curious about the things like, why did my stock price suddenly drop? Or what are others thinking? But it's really not that easy to find out. So we made it easy to access a community where people can get this kind of answers. So we thought that should be a part of the trading experiences as well. So they can discuss and analyze the market trends and even make trade with just a single click. So it not only just provides convenience, but empowers the users to make more informed investment decisions. So each stock has its own dedicated community. So when users find a stock they're interested in, then they can join the relevant community. And we also have a badge system. For example, if you have a specific stock, then you can have a badge that verifies you as a shareholder. So actually, over 70% of our users carry this badge in our community. And similarly, high-return investors can get top investor badge that makes them trusted influencers in that area.
I started using Toss Securities since it was launched. Frequently used feature and my favorite is stock collection. I invest like 3 big tech stocks based on my cash flow periodically. So those really helps me to manage my investment portfolio. And also there's like a specific pricing alert on that feature. So I can also even take a look at what kind of news and what kind of like updates that I have to refer to when making this investment decision making.
When I want to invest in the company, I can see news article and Toss Securities says to me, this is positive or negative.
Traditionally, institutional investors were the main players in the capital markets, but we're seeing a big shift toward retail investors. Also, we're seeing a younger generation, especially in the United States and Korea, start trading earlier than before. Trading services are becoming more intuitive, more accessible, and easier to use to keep them engaged. Toss Securities was born as Korea's first trading service, tailored for mobile generation. In just 3 years, we have become one of the market leaders in US stock trading, thanks to our data-driven approach and commitment to making investment more accessible for everyone.
So we focus on simplicity, which is the core value of our product principles. Actually, this means more than just a simple design. It means more like removing anything that makes investing really, really hard. I believe that the user-centered product will lead to substantial business growth as well. So we'll keep improving like this.
In summer 2024, we established our first global office, Toss Securities America. And Toss Securities Americas was built so that we can provide more opportunities for our Korean investors to enter into US market. Now, TSA Financial will focus on broker-dealer operation. So these two entities combined, this will function as a global hub for further expansions into multiple locations.